there, welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of traditional diets that impose strict restrictions, leaving you feeling deprived and limited in your culinary choices? What if there was a way to embrace a lifestyle that not only supports your health and weight loss goals, but also champions flexibility, variety, and sustainability? Today, we're diving into the world of the Flexitarian diet. We will discover what is Flexitarian, how does the Flexitarian diet work, can I lose weight on the Flexitarian diet, what are the Flexitarian diet pros and cons, and how to get started on the Flexitarian diet. At the end, we will also share success stories for the Flexitarian diet and tips from real people. Before we get into it, can you do us a favor? Click on the subscribe and thumbs up button and help us spread the word about Flexitarian diet. And ring the bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. We want to make sure you get the latest info that you can live a long, healthy life. So, what is Flexitarian? The Flexitarian diet is a fusion of two concepts: flexibility and vegetarianism. Coined over 10 years ago by registered dietitian Dawn Jackson Blattner in her 2009 book, The Flexitarian Diet. The mostly vegetarian way to shed pounds, enhance health, ward off diseases, and lengthen your lifespan. Flexitarianism belongs to the family of vegetarian diets, such as lacto-vegetarian or pesco-vegetarian. But it is not as strict as a traditional vegetarian diet. With flexitarianism, also known as a semi-vegetarian diet, individuals are not required to fully commit to an anti-meat lifestyle to enjoy the health advantages linked to vegetarianism. Instead, they can opt for meatless meals most of the time while still indulging in a burger or steak on special occasions. By incorporating more plant-based foods and reducing meat intake, research indicates that adherents of the Flexitarian diet may experience not only weight loss but also an improvement in overall health by lowering the risks of heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Additionally, due to its reduced meat consumption, it is considered environmentally friendly. Presently, the core message remains constant. The focus is still consume more plants and be flexible rather than rigid about it, states Blattner. To clarify, this is a lifestyle, not a traditional diet. How does the Flexitarian diet work? 1. Emphasize non-meat proteins such as beans, peas, or eggs. 2. Incorporate fruits, vegetables, whole grains, dairy, and seasonings. 3. Gradually decrease meat portions and increase meat-free days each week during each stage. Tip: substitute traditional meat with plant-based alternatives like veggie burgers if you crave meat. 4. Follow at your own pace, either diving in or easing into it. 5. Becoming a flexitarian is more about expanding food groups in your diet rather than eliminating them entirely. For example, using a variety of spices and seasonings can enhance the taste and nutrition of meals. 6. Family-friendly. Meals can be enjoyed by all family members with minimal or no adjustments. The food options are healthy and balanced for all age groups. 7. Budget-friendly. The foods for this diet are easily accessible at a regular grocery store and do not require expensive or specialty items. 8. Environmentally friendly. The diet considers the environmental impact of food choices, being predominantly plant-based and or focused on sustainably grown produced foods. 9. Vegan or vegetarian friendly. Recipes can be easily adjusted for a vegan or vegetarian diet. 10. Gluten-free friendly. Recipes can be easily adapted to adhere to a gluten-free diet. 11. Halal-friendly. Recipes can be easily modified to align with the diet. 12. Kosher-friendly. Recipes can be easily adjusted to adhere to the diet. 13. Low-fat. The diet encourages moderate consumption of healthy fats, such as olive oil, and discourages unhealthy fats, like saturated fats, with less than approximately 30% of total calories from fat. Can I lose weight on the Flexitarian diet? Yes, weight loss is likely on the Flexitarian diet, especially when combined with regular physical activity. Semi-vegetarian diets, like the Flexitarian diet, fall between fully vegetarian and non-vegetarian diets in terms of weight loss efficacy. If the emphasis is on the plant-based component, individuals will likely feel satisfied with fewer calories than they are accustomed to. Short-term weight loss depends on making significant dietary changes and maintaining a calorie deficit. Long-term weight loss potential is supported by the Flexitarian diet's ranking as no. 5 for best weight loss diets overall. Studies indicate that semi-vegetarian diets contribute to lower average body mass index, BMI, compared to non-vegetarian diets. The flexibility and adaptability of the flexitarian diet make it suitable for ongoing, healthy weight maintenance. The emphasis on a plant-forward approach allows individuals to maintain significant weight loss over an extended period. How to get started on the flexitarian diet. Starting the flexitarian diet involves a gradual approach. 1. Add plants to every meal. Aim for at least 2 cups of plant-based foods per meal. 2. Replace animal products. Choose 1 meal per day to substitute animal products with plant-based alternatives. 3. Plan meals mindfully. Schedule when to include animal products, allowing for mindful preparation. 4. Ease into the lifestyle. Understand that some weeks may differ, but being mindful and having vegetarian options available simplifies the process. What does the flexitarian diet cost? The flexitarian diet is adaptable to various grocery and dining options, minimizing additional costs. Resources like Blattner's Guidebook and cookbooks are available for purchase. Is the flexitarian diet easy to follow? The diet's flexibility and adaptability make it convenient, even during travel or holidays. Amy Shapiro, founder of Real Nutrition, highlights the ease of returning to a plant-forward diet anywhere and anytime, emphasizing the positive feelings and varied diet experiences. We summarize the pros and cons of flexitarian diet. Here is the list. Pros: nutritionally sound, diverse foods and flavors, coaching and / or group support available, filling rich in high-fiber foods, no off-limit foods or food groups, convenient grab-and-go options, proven health benefits. Cons: potential for increased hunger. Success stories for the flexitarian diet and tips from real people. Annabelle Randalls, co-founder of an online eco-retail store, shares her journey with the flexitarian diet. Initially an omnivore, Randalls and her husband transitioned to a flexitarian lifestyle due to environmental and ethical concerns about meat consumption. Starting with meat-free Mondays, they gradually increased plant-based meals. Randalls found the diet's non-restrictive nature appealing, helping her manage chronic inflammation triggered by meat and dairy consumption. The flexitarian diet not only contributed to Randalls' healthy approach to eating, but also aided in long-term weight management. She advises newcomers to start small with 1 meat-free day a week and explore the flexibility of different cuisines that don't rely heavily on meat. While Randalls experimented with various diets in the past, the flexitarian diet stood out for its positive impact on her overall well-being. Unlike other diets that brought back negative feelings associated with past struggles, the flexitarian approach allowed her to enjoy food as a nourishing and healthy aspect of life. In summary, the flexitarian diet offers a flexible and sustainable approach to incorporating more plant-based foods into one's lifestyle, providing health benefits and contributing to long-term weight management. The diverse food options, convenience, and adaptability make it an appealing choice for individuals seeking a balanced and sustainable way of eating. Thanks for watching. Remember to like this video and click the subscribe button so that you can stay up to date as we release new videos. It really does help a lot. We hope you discover a healthier you every day. We'll see you in the next video.